Namaste everyone and welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we will discuss the ongoings in the fashion, gems and jewelry industry. I am Swara, the world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network. I am here to share the latest updates about the industry with you. Let's start with the newest and exclusive news in the Indian gems and jewelry industry. India's overall gems and jewelry exports fell 5% to 20,713.37 crore rupees in May, compared to 21,795.65 crore rupees in May 2023, according to GJPC data. However, gold jewelry exports saw a 13.1% growth. The Hyderabad International Jewelry Show 2024, South India's largest B2B jewelry exhibition, held from the 21st to the 23rd June, concluded successfully. Retailers attended in large numbers, eager to stock up on jewelry. Swar presents the Kohinoor Awards, organized by United Exhibitions, ended on a successful note. It was held on 21st June 2024 in Hyderabad.
Swar presents you to the second edition of Kohinoor Jewelry Awards. Please put your hands together for Nandini Gupta Miss India World 2023. Thank you so much everybody for joining us today.
Kerala International Jewelry Fair 2024 will be uniting the gems and jewelry industry from 6 to 8 July 2024. Just 2024 to sparkle at the Jaipur Exhibition and Convention Centre from 5th to 7th July 2024. PGI India plans to host the 7th edition of the Platinum Buyer-Seller Meet on 4th and 5th July 2024, featuring 16 official platinum jewelry manufacturers and top retail industry players. Bluestone is in talks with Peak 15, Steadview, and Think Investments for a $100 million pre-IPO round, which would value the jewelry retailer at around $900 million pre-money. PC Chandra Jewellers is expanding with 66 showrooms across 10 cities and a strong omni-channel presence, including plans for e-commerce growth in 2024. Kisna Diamond and Gold Jewelry celebrates its exclusive showroom in Okaf Market, Jammu, with a blood donation drive demonstrating its commitment to social welfare. Silvo Style by PNG Jewellers unveils an avant-garde brand campaign targeting Gen Z and millennials. The campaign features Rasha Thadani and promotes elegance, confidence, and individuality through a jewelry teaser on social media platforms. Moving on to the international gems and jewelry platform. De Beers is reverting to its marketing roots as Anglo-American looms sell off. The company's new origin strategy is part of a wider shift towards natural diamonds, as marketing has always distinguished the diamond sector from other mineral industries. Tiffany & Co. has unveiled the Tiffany Titan by Pharrell Williams collection, inspired by Poseidon Trident. The collection features bold designs with sharp spikes and uses titanium, a reflective material, to create striking contrasts and challenge conventional design. Pandora opens its largest global flagship store on Copenhagen's Strøget, showcasing Danish-inspired design and the new Evoque concept. Singapore International Jewelry Show to shine from 11th to 14th July 2024. French jeweler Boucheron is introducing sustainable packaging designs starting 19th June. The new cases use lightweight aluminium and wool felt certified with the Responsible Wool Standard, replacing 11 non-recyclable components. The production process is optimized for minimal environmental impact. Swiss luxury goods group Richemont has acquired Italian jewelry maison Vernier S.p.A., integrating it with Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, and Buccellati. Vernier's unique designs and fusions complement Richemont's existing collection. The Indian fashion industry has been blooming lately. Jones Lang LaSalle India reports that the Indian fashion retail sector dominated leasing activity in Q1 2024, with mid-segment brands accounting for 40% of growth and value segment brands at 38%. FDCI partners with RPSG Lifestyle Media for Manifest Wedding Weekend, August 3rd to 4th, in New Delhi. The event features top Indian couturiers, jewelers, and service providers. Tasva and Tarun Tahiliani have partnered with the Indian Olympic Association to design and provide exclusive ceremonial attire for the Indian contingent at the Paris Olympics 2024. Neeta Lulla debuts the Nishq resort wear line, blending breezy styles like broderie, anglaise palazzo pants and glittery sharara sets. Narendra Kumar Ahmad, known for his exceptional craftsmanship, has launched Tamiska, a blend of practicality and elegance for Indian women, marking the arrival of his new swanky store in Mumbai. Last but not least is the international fashion industry. Milan Fashion Week Men's SS 2025 include Martine Rose debut, Prada's Fairytale Ravescape, Zegna's linen-themed show featuring Mads Mikkelsen, and Gucci's youthful surfing-inspired collection by Sabato de Sarno. Jonathan Anderson presents a surreal, hypnotherapy-inspired collection that balances the strange and seductive. London Men's Fashion Week Spring 2024 saw Charles Jeffrey Loverboy, Kasimi, and Denzel Patrick, among others, from June 7th to 9th in a new London Fashion Week showcase. David Beckham co-hosted the opening, and Eurovision winner Nemo Metler performed in an ambitious inflatable dress at Harry's show. Omega launches its international ad campaign as the official timekeeper of the Paris 2024 Olympic and Paralympic Games. Michael Kors partners with Mastercard's AI shopping assistant, The Shopping Muse, to offer personalized product recommendations online. Through generative AI capabilities, Michael Kors aims to recreate the in-store shopping experience. Ralph Lauren's Polo 67 OD toilet, released in March, is a bestseller with warm tones and a unique citrus blend. The refillable bottle features a rich, dark blue silhouette and is available at Boots in the UK. Calvin Klein opens its global flagship on Paris Avenue des Champs-Élysées. The store features the chalk design concept, curated women's and men's sections, Europe's largest Calvin Klein underwear department, and a bespoke capsule collection embodying the brand's modern, minimalist ethos. That was all for today. Thank you everyone. We will see each other soon with more updates. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, swasth rahiye, mast rahiye, Shubh Ratri, Shabha Khair.